Few hours, Earth is expected to pass through the debris trail of a broken comet. Now, this comet shattered in the late 1990s, breaking up into several pieces. Some meteor showers have been around for centuries. Now, new meteor showers like this one around 1 o'clock are somewhat visible tonight. Now, you're going to be up in the lounge chair just watching what's going on here?
So here's the breakdown. Now, even NASA is saying that this is an all or nothing kind of a deal. There's a lot of uncertainty, so we really won't know until we look up in the sky around 1 o'clock or around 1 o'clock in the morning. But if it all comes to, if everything comes together in the right way, there may be hundreds of shooting stars within each hour. So it's something we're watching closely. What about the cloud cover? We do anticipate skies to clear a little bit later on this evening. Now, we're cloudy right now. If this meteor shower were going on right now, it'd be hard to see. We have cloud cover, but I expect the clouds to be thinning out over the next couple of hours, and things sky-wise will improve. But as far as whether or not this is the real deal or not, even the folks at NASA are like, we're not quite sure, but this is something that we're going to check out very closely overnight tonight. And it peaks around 1 o'clock in the morning if it happens. All right, look at the temperatures. It is beautiful this evening. It's in the 70s, including 75 in Providence and upper 60s along the South Shore. So that meteor shower overnight, question mark, peaking around 1 o'clock in the morning. And there's really no particular direction in the sky. Just kind of look up. We're going to keep our fingers crossed and see if this pans out. Meanwhile, roller coaster ride on Tuesday in terms of temperature. This is the kind of deal where it's going to warm up into the mid to upper 80s by around noontime and then tumble big time by evening, where I would say by 6, 7 o'clock in the evening, the temperature goes all the way down into the 60s. That's courtesy of a cold front. Sunshine tomorrow. With that front, there may be a quick shower or thunderstorm. Just feel as though a vast majority of the day on Tuesday is actually dry, noticeably cooler. We'll struggle to get to 70 on Wednesday. So we're getting some thin clouds passing overhead right now, but they should clear in time for that potential or possible meteor shower during the overnight. Now, we're tracking this blue line across southeastern Canada. It's a cold front. Now, most cold fronts approach from either the north, northwest, or west. This one's actually going to be dropping down, approaching from the northeast. It doesn't happen very often, so we give it the name a backdoor cold front. And what it will do is it'll knock the temperatures down by late tomorrow afternoon. So here's a little tip of Caribou right now behind the front. It's only 57 degrees. So I'm going to bring you in real close and show you the temperatures tomorrow in the wind direction. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. It's already very warm. And note the arrows. The wind's more west-northwest. Watch what happens in eastern Massachusetts later in the morning. The wind starts to turn northeast. We're still holding on to a west wind, so we warm up significantly in this area in red. As these northeast winds take over, watch, as they start to approach, the warmer air gets pushed back towards Connecticut, and we start to cool down. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, the temperature's nice, but it really drops off late day and early evening into the 60s. It's almost a 20-25 degree temperature drop in that 12-hour period. So a rapid warm up tomorrow. In fact, hot by 11 a.m., partly sunny, 87 degrees. By early afternoon, the temperature's starting to drop, though it's still warm. And then as that front comes through, maybe a quick isolated shower, but mainly dry. By 5 o'clock in the evening, 73. That may be generous. Maybe dropping into the upper 60s. Boaters, there's two things I want you to be mindful of tomorrow. One is the abrupt shift in the wind direction tomorrow afternoon, west, turning northeast. The other, and it's just a small chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm. All right, 7-day forecast. Look how cool it is on Wednesday. Mid to upper 60s with showers. Another chance for showers Thursday night into Friday morning. Early call on the weekend looks good. Not as warm as this past weekend, but temperature seasonable in the low to mid 70s both Saturday and Sunday. Guys want to come to my backyard overnight tonight? We'll get the s'mores and the,
I'd love to join. Let's do it. Let's look up in the sky under the stars.
All right. 3 o'clock in the morning, he's still going to be out there.
Yeah.
So. All right, Tony, thank you. Well.